This is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV in Stuart, Florida, and I'm going to give you a little tour of this 335 Georgetown SE. It's got one large slide out on this side and one smaller slide out over here. Full body paint. It's on a Ford V10 chassis. Alright, as we walk in, we've got the Dream Dinette. Got the sofa area. The large TV over here. This little section actually pulls out to make it a little bit bigger. Going over here to the counter space, we've got solid countertops there. 3-burner stove, microwave, dual door refrigerators, very nice big TV and an electric fireplace. As we go over towards the master bedroom, we'll stop right here in the restroom. See a fully enclosed shower with a stainless steel sink and a floor flush toilet there. This layout is a lot like one of the Coachman Muratas we have on the lot as well. It's a queen size walk around bed. Of course, you got your reading lights and your storage up there. Then you've got more wardrobe space there, your LCD TV right there. So that's the master bedroom. This gives you kind of a perspective. Here's the driver's seat. There's a screen for the backup and side view cameras. That's the other one. So that is a Georgetown SE 335. Thank you for watching.